Look at Mom. Look at her.
Bust 2 times. If you like, then I bust 3 times. Hit it right, then she bust 4 times. Never lie. I'm in line with it. I got the wheel, that's a way I'm a line in it. I got a deal double sweet, put a lime in it. I be the man of the hour, put a.
Good morning, TT Squad. Stay tuned on a road trip. Tashonna, stay tuned. Good morning, TT Squad. So I'm just gonna take a shower and gonna take a shower and then go upstairs. That's a whole fry Oreos. It was so good. He said, "Can y'all please shut up?" So just like he said, "Shut up! It's almost midnight." He said, "Please be quiet."
That was funny though. That was so funny.
Oh my god. Two-pack shirt. There's my two-pack shirt. Do it again. Alright, now you're taking it too far. Taking it too far. Alright, no, taking it too far. Sorry. Shake. Shake back. Represent. Sound like my shirt. Like my shirt. Shake. See that? Oh yeah. We're going to the pool today and then the boardwalk again. I'm wanting some more fried Oreos. They're so good.
And today is like a
fried Oreos.
Whole day.
Yeah, like a whole day.
It's a whole day.
Yeah.
That's making it better.
Seeing our team together.
Shower this. I bet should I put these on?
If you want to be hungry? Do you?
No. Do you? No, I want to be regular.
Oh, we have to 50 cents.
How fast it go down?
What the shit I did?
This is going all the way right now? Yeah. Oh, as you can see though, it's a little long. They went from 33 to 2.
What the hell?
It was so tall, dude. It just feel good. You going to the boardwalk?
Yeah.
To eat? Or?
Let me get some meat.
Yeah, you going to boardwalk to eat or?
Double donuts and stuff? Ain't double donuts right here?
Somewhere around here. Yeah, it's the Dunkin' Donuts somewhere around. Yeah, it's out here. Dunkin' Donuts over there.
Huh?
Dunkin' Donuts over there. I couldn't catch him on camera, but this man was really staring at me really fucking hard. Really hard. It's like really hard. Okay. Still for like a good 5 minutes, maybe 6. But my connection has been terrible, like really terrible. It's like not loading at all. No. It's something wrong with this battery because it was dying. Now it's 3 bars. What? It's something wrong with the battery. So I tore this food up. It was so good. I tore it up, and I know we don't eat. Look, the whole waffle was going.
You like the waffle?
Yeah, I know. I know we don't eat all this. I'm starving. I think so you want ice cream.
You said he went with her first.
I know. He actually all that.
What you saw for? Please remind me.
And you got stuff on your lip. Please. So our camera is being really dumb, so we might just have to break up stuff in clips because it keeps dying and undying somehow. So we're gonna break some stuff in clips. Call it. It's being dumb. If it was like this, I could have recorded yesterday. Like, it's just being dumb.
How's the 3 bars?
Now it's 3 bars again. Yeah. It's just dumb. Being dumb. So after this, we're probably just gonna go to the pool and see what else today. Now it's on 3. Like, I could have brought this. Oh my god. It's so annoying. I could have brought this to yesterday. Because I didn't bring it yesterday because it's dying. But now it's not really dying. It wasn't really dying.
What kind of this car?
What is this?
Crazy.
Wait, what? This? I don't know. What the? You want to go in here? Yeah, no, let's go in here. Not going in here.
I don't feel like nothing in it.
Oh, see how much the salt with the tappies is?
Oh, well.
How much the salt with the tappies?
Every time I get myself
58? 58? Look at this big one, look.
That's a huge one
It's
there.
huge. Like, where the regular one?
Yeah, yeah, buddy.
That's the regular? I said natural. That's the one that's like 58. What kind? But they had cheaper ones like that. You know the dollar ones? You know the dollar ones?
The dollar.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's good.
Don't say, but I can't find them anywhere though. Oh, yeah, pencil.
You remember this?
No.
Oh, we had this when we were little.
Nope.
We had this. That.
Oh, look at the
I
bubble
didn't know the
tape.
nerves.
Look at the bubble tape. My sister, she neglects the camera, so. But I got a new
Because my head was hurting.
Your head was hurting, yeah.
Yeah.
My head hurting actually too.
My head needed to sit
Since I
down
got like a hangover a little bit. I don't even know what hangover feels like. Because I don't really drink, but I feel it now. That's why my head was hurting all day.
Focus on recording.
All freaking day. It's like I couldn't focus on recording. My head was freaking killing me. Like, it was like right here, your temple. Yeah. Like,
Where's she going?
where's she going? She all over there. Where's she at? Right there. Where's she all over there. You see her, y'all? What she's up to? I zoomed in all the way on her. Wow. Caught her right in the head. I have a hangover, bro. This is not life. Like my head hurt. No, this is why I don't drink. Right, I know exactly. This is why I want to drink. I don't want to pick up my head be hurt. You know, I only had 1 cup of Henny and Coke. So I wish I recorded last night. But this is not my first time having it. But my first time with it being like that, like. Alright guys, well, I'll turn the camera off and turn it back on. It's gonna be like multiple clips because, alright, the freaking camera keeps dying, like, and then you turn it on, it's 3 bars. It don't make any sense. I'm so pissed off. We gotta find a new camera, new battery or something. Yeah, this camera, I bet it's dumb, guys. Like, really has. I'm zoomed in. Do you think we should get like a, oh shit. Oh, now you zoomed in on me? Good. We might have to get another battery or something. I don't think it's the camera, I think it's the battery, honestly. Do you think since we dropped it the time that... Remember when we dropped it? We was doing Home Scare Factor. We take care of our stuff. No, we were doing Home Scare Factor and the camera fell. It fell. We tried our best. But after that, it started acting weird. It did, honestly. So I pray it's not that. But...
Okay, where?
Going to the pool.
You take them with you?
Yeah.
No, they can't.
Yeah. I put it in my bag. Put my towel over it. Maybe right there. You can watch your bag while you swimming.
I know.
Stuff be splashing though.
I'll jump right that pool, put them in.
What?
I don't care if you get wet, don't take it.
Yeah.
We were editing
Got
chapter
another
7, first editorial campaign.
I'm going to the pool, so the camera charged a little bit.
I got my top ready.
You do? Wow. Oh my god.
Just keep going.
Yeah.
Oh, hold on.
You gotta keep.
What? I want my fanny pack. From here, you going back to the boardwalk?
No. You gonna be soaked. You gonna be soaking wet? No.
Oh, so I don't need my stuff there. I don't need my
What you? What was
my
your?
fanny pack. I don't need it.
What you got? You got your cell phone with you?
No, I need it here.
You probably don't really need it then.
Where's the fanny pack at? Oh, there we go. I don't need none of this stuff.
No. I got the keys.
Show them, record me. Show me.
So they didn't see me. So you.
No, they see me in this. Did you?
They did.
Oh, you had
didn't
me.
get me.
Oh, yeah. You know y'all dancing. You got the key card?
Yeah.
What?
She doesn't gotta be all like that. This way.
Keep doing it. Honey, show me. So this is her swimming gear outfit thing. We have the floaty. You put the bed. This is my mom.
Yeah, almost me like, who was that guy? Was he coming from this?
I know. No, it's in this direction. Like right next to me. He's like right up. It was this direction.
Fucking bitch.
I'm even next to me.
Bitch, I'm not name I fuck you.
It was this direction.
It's the weekend. Get out of here.
We won't leave him alone. We just going to get a
You got
snack.
school tomorrow.
Like, we just going to get a snack.
Here, he got on the street.
But you here. Yeah, right.
The ass should have been the fuck sleep.
It's almost swept up. Almost. Keith Turner.
He was
He
so
not a
hyped.
father. Fuck him. He not father. What the hell? We wrong.
He said he was my father.
He's all about bitch. He didn't have fun. He didn't make it. His man didn't show up. I'm gonna tell you. What time is it?
I pay my money for it. So I'm gonna be low.
Wait, hush.
Hello, 1 2 1 2, check 1 2.
Just so you know.
1 2, test 1 2. Check, check 1 2.
Going up.
So I'm gonna beat him. No.
Look at your phone.
Try my phone.
Okay, I'm gonna take pictures or something.
You can secure it.
Yeah, but how do you put it on the phone though?
I can take it off the car.
Testing 1 2. Testing 1 2. 1 2.
I pay my money for it to be loud. So I'm gonna beat him.
1 2. Testing 1 2.
So I'm gonna beat him.
1 2. Coordinating. Test 1 2.
It's like right there. You just switch over, yeah.
Testing 1 2 1 2. That's check 1 2. Testing 1 2. That sounds good. Testing 1 2. Check 1 2. Test 1 2. Test 1 2.
Oh yeah, where's the elevators? Oh, you got it. No string keep falling down. I'm tying.
Testing. Check 1 2. Test 1 2. Test 1 2. Check 1 2. Test 1 2. Check 1 2.
Oh, it keeps untying.
1 2. 1 2.
We can
Check
stop
1
for
2.
now, I guess, till we get to the pool. Ooh. I gotta tie this thing. I gotta tie it. It's falling off. You can hold it, you don't hold it out. So we are on our way. Well, we're here now into the pool, just looking for the place now. And we will be recording. You get there.
A little bit.
Oh, Oh, wait. You waved to the camera? I think she waved to the camera.
Should you in your shower cap either?
No. Huh. Oh no, I hope not. People. Not that many people. Not that many people. This way. Oh, what's up with those people? It's really nice. No, it was last time. I know. Huh? They even look at it yet. Still sticking on. Alright. Look at the top. So like 1, 2.
1, 2, 3.
Alright. We just got out the pool and funny story that happened. I'll tell you when we get back to the hotel, but I'm soaking wet.
What's fun?
You saw when the blue boys actually use it? Yeah. Just like him use it. Yeah. Oh, right here. No. I think it's on the other side. They're on the other side, right? Yeah, it's towards that way. I'm like, up here what? So I'll talk to you guys to bring back to the hotel. No, it's okay.
Yeah, I'm done. I'm sick of it, damn.
I'm done with
You
the
don't want
casino.
shit.
You were not for
People
real.
like, I want $200 on.
Cause they play a lot.
She want $36.
They play a lot.
The lady, I saw her.
How much she played though? See, I don't want to risk playing for all this money and then
Lose all
you
of
don't
it.
win nothing.
They'd be like 40.
I want to do that.
Yeah.
Come on, y'all ready?
No.
She gonna see you in once, babe.
Really?
They're trying to knock the coffee down.
I smell her coffee here.
Sorry. I know, it's like a monster. Maybe it's like some kind of way we could like keep it look like another app for like another app. See how much it is? I don't know. Oh, you look so cute. Oh. Oh. You look so cute. Oh. Dang, copyright. Look at mom. Look at her.
Good for you now.
Stop this dude,
I'll try to get one for y'all.
Going on.
Take it right out your head.
Out my hand.
Oh my god. Took it right out your head. I can't really get to
Atlantic City Cruises. Don't miss the boat.
No, take one right here.
Huntsville Cruises. Delhi Dolphin Launching.
Alright,
Happy Hour Cruises.
I still can't believe
I
that
know.
shit.
You wasn't even like, you was holding it.
I know
Like,
you really liked it. It was good, right?
See, it was good. I'm taking my time with it.
so you, how that happened? We walked away. All the time we was sitting there though, they didn't even touch us. The minute we walk away. The minute we walk away, he gonna eat the thing. But like, how you had like this? You were like this?
Yeah.
He just swooped in.
Nisha, I saw it.
How he do it?
You had your hair like this, right?
Ma, I turned back for 1 second.
It was like, you
saw
had your hair like this. It was like,
My finger like this. Look, my finger like this.
it was like,
Look, I was holding it, next thing no, it was like this.
Oh my god, I can't.
That is crazy.
I can't believe it. That never happened.
But I'm saying like how he get in between us?
I don't even know.
Y'all was like that. Y'all was close
I don't
together.
even know.
How you get between y'all?
Like,
I was next to you.
I thought it was gonna go whoop, like I started snatching my hand like this, holding it. Then I'm like this. It was going. It was going. I was like, oh my god.
They just took it. That's crazy.
I
The
can't get
seagulls
over
out here.
The seagulls are.
Everybody leaving. Don't everybody leaving.
Yeah, it do.
Everybody leaving.
Let me go on this way. Yeah. Oh
my
no,
God.
they horrible.
Oh
Oh no. They got oh no.
Oh my god.
They gonna get.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh my.
She dropped it.
Oh my god.
Shit. Oh.
What the fuck? Oh my god. They're fucking crazy. Oh my god. They took our food. Oh no. They're crazy. They took our food right here.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. She had to drop it.
She dropped it. Yeah.
She had to drop her food.
It was over her head. He went over her head.
Oh my god. That's what he did you. That's how he did you. Oh, they gotta do something with They gotta do something with them. They disrespectful.
Kill him. She shoot him off.
She's like, kill him. They be eating your food. What's a waste of money? They crazy out here.
They're crazy at nighttime. Why do you do this in the morning?
You can't even enjoy yourself.
I can't believe they took your
I'm stuck on that and they took off. She had like a plate of thing, food. You saw it go over her head. It went right over her head, took her food. Oh my god.
They were all around them. They were all around.
I gotta record it.
You did?
We are finally back in our room, so we leave tomorrow. So it's our last day. We'll probably end the vlog over here. I don't know if this is gonna be 2 vlogs or 1 vlog. I don't know. Might be 2 vlogs, might be 1 vlog, depending on how much we got. It's been on and off. Our camera's been acting really weird. But we will see you guys tomorrow.